What's up, everyone? Went away to Lime Rock, so I haven't been doing an upload on Pokemon pack opening for a while, but we're gonna open a Japanese Scarlet and Violet era pack today. Pretty cool pack art on this one, so let's head into opening it. Hopefully everyone is having a good day. Let's head into open it. Pretty cool pack art. Give me a second to open this. Thank you everyone for watching my pack opening videos. Appreciate you guys. See if we can't post something good today. Alright, here we go. First card, we have a Magnemite. Pretty cool art on this card. That's the first card. Second, we have this card. Pretty cool. Forget what it's called. Let me know in the comments if you know. It's like an acorn. Pretty cool. Pretty cool card here as well. Then we have a Squirtle. Pretty sure that's called Groudon. And then we have this pretty cool card right here. That'll do it for that pack, guys. Catch you guys in day 10 of opening a Pokemon pack.